Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuy.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be showcasing the Dremel 3D45. If you're an expert user who wants to print with a wide variety of materials, look no further than the Dremel 3D45 Idea Creator 3D Printer Kit. For printing high-tech materials like Eco-ABS, Nylon, PETG, and PLA filaments, this printer remains the top of the game. In this review, we'll get into more detail about the design and features of this 3D printer kit to help you decide if it's right for you. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. Right off the bat, let's get one thing straight. This printer is indeed beginner-friendly, but it was developed with professionals and small businesses in mind. Having won PCMag.com's 2022 Editor's Choice Award for Best 3D Printer for Professionals and Small Businesses, this printer has definitely made a point of being the best in the biz for a while now. Aside from this, it is also a Google Education partner and is specifically designed to have an easy learning curve for beginners. This basically means that the Dremel 3D45 3D printer kit is the ideal purchase for architecture, engineering, university use, or commercial 3D printers. We cannot overstate how much we appreciated the ease of use of this machine. The guided setup process gets you from unboxing to printing in just a few minutes. There's also the 4.5-inch full-color touchscreen with an intuitive interface, so you can quickly navigate through different functions, and the built-in RFID reader that detects the 1.75mm Dremel filament, which you place inside, and it automatically chooses the best print settings for you. Moving on, one great thing about the Dremel 3D45 is its beautiful and sturdy design. The complete 3D printer enclosure is made of ultra-durable plastic with a 6.7 by 10 by 6 inch build volume. This feature ensures that your prints are protected from dust and other contaminants, which can affect the quality of your prints. Aside from this, it's also worth pointing out that the direct drive with an all-metal extruder is clog-resistant and ensures that it can deliver smooth 3D prints. Call us crazy, but it's mighty refreshing to have a 3D printer that looks and feels like it was built to last. Now let's get to the meat of this review, which is the features. The Dremel 3D45 comes with a range of top-rated bells and whistles. First up, it boasts an automated 9-point leveling sensor that detects any variation in the print bed and automatically accounts for it for more successful printing. This feature ensures that your prints are always level and of high quality, no matter the volume or extended time you're going to print with it. The printer also has a built-in HD camera for remote print monitoring from any computer or mobile device. This means you'll be able to see how your print is progressing in real time, giving you peace of mind knowing that your print is going smoothly. While most of our time spent with the 3D printer was spent enjoying it for its convenience, we can definitely say that the reliable performance of the printer also lends itself to being a great candidate for small businesses and professionals alike. And now the cherry on top, the print quality, which can make or break this purchase. The heated build plate heats up to 100 degrees Celsius, allowing you to print different types of filament, including PLA, PETG, Eco-ABS, and Nylon. This feature gives you the flexibility to print with a wide range of materials and make sure that your prints are of high quality throughout the product's long service life. Aside from this, the high-powered extruder heats up to 280 degrees Celsius for flexibility in different print materials. If you haven't noticed yet, this printer is one versatile piece of machinery, so you can expect to find it in spades with this model. As if that's not impressive enough, the filament run-out detection resumes printing where you left off when the filament runs out. We found this to be a very convenient feature, as you never really know when you might find yourself in a pinch like this. Finally, the built-in automatic leveling sensor adds precision leveling for even more reliable printing. Suffice it to say, you will find that Dremel spared no effort in developing a printer that's inferior in any way when it comes to performance, and that's why we think it truly makes a great investment. Overall, the Dremel 3D45 Idea Builder 3D printer kit is a top-of-the-line machine designed for advanced users who want to print with a wide range of materials. With its ease of use, top-rated features, and complete 3D printer enclosure, the Dremel 3D45 is the ideal purchase for architecture, engineering, university use, or commercial 3D printers. And there you have it, folks, everything you need to know about the Dremel 3D45. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.